I'm gonna show you how to make the best hot and crispy chicken tenders. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making hot and crispy chicken tenders. I'm gonna serve these chicken tenders with sauce and fries. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Of course, we're gonna start with the spices because that's the most important part of this chicken tenders recipe. First, we need a good touch of cayenne pepper. We're making a large quantity of chicken tenders, so we need all these spices, yeah? And now we're gonna throw in our beautiful smoked paprika. You know, it's gonna have a really nice taste, a bit more smoky flavor. Also use some of the sweet paprika. Now to add a bit more flavor, we're using garlic powder. And of course, we're gonna use some of the onion powder as well. Chili powder, just to add a bit more kick in there. A tiny bit of cumin in there. For more depth of flavor, I'm gonna use some of the chicken seasoning. Freshly cracked black pepper in there.
Perfect.
Totally optional, you can use some of the oregano or thyme. Now we're going in with some of the MSG. Good touch of salt in there. Now to balance everything, we're gonna hit it with some of the brown sugar. And now give this a really good mix. Now I want you guys to have a little taste of this and adjust anything if you need to. Has a bit of kick to it, you know, smoky sweet flavor. It is so delicious. Now for the chicken, we're using breast. Now depending on its size, you want to slice it into either 2 or 3 fillets. This one has been sliced into 3 fillets, as you can see. Now using your knife, just cut it in the middle. So something like that you're looking for. If you want, you can keep them large, it's really up to you. Now of course, season it from both sides, alright? Try to go from the top. Honestly, one of the best chicken tenders that you guys gonna try. Give that a little tap and season it from the other side as well. Again, a quick tap to that and just remove it onto your plate. Now set them aside and wash this board straight away. Let's make a quick Nashville sauce to go with our chicken tenders. Here I've got some of the mayonnaise. You can also throw in some of the sour cream and some Tabasco in that.
Sonic boom.
Some of this peri-peri sauce, our hot seasoning. You can use more or less depending on your liking. Juice of fresh lemon. Also, if you like a bit sweet, you can throw in some of the honey in there. And with a paste of jalapeno. Pickle juice from gherkins. A light pinch of salt. And some pepper. And I'll give this a really good mix. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Our mouth-watering Nashville sauce. Done. For the dredge, let's keep it nice and simple. Here with a plain flour, here with a paprika, cayenne pepper, white pepper, good touch of freshly cracked bell pepper as well, and finally with the salt. A really good mix to that. Now let's grab everything, our seasoned flour, chicken, also some cold tap water in a bowl. Before we start coating the chicken, turn the heat to on medium high. I'm using a sunflower oil, you could use any high smoke point oil. And you want to bring the oil temperature to around 165 Celsius, and you want to maintain that temperature. Or let's coat this. I'm just going to remove this covering. If you kept it in the fridge, remove it at least 20 minutes, you know, before you start cooking. Or so this is how we're going to coat it. First, the chicken is going to go into this flour. Let's do around 3 at a time. Get a good coat of the chicken, of the flour. Okay, so yeah, make sure to cover all sides. We want a really nice coat of the flour, so we're gonna coat it twice. Alright, so first, after you have coated this, it will go into the cold tap water. Shake off the excess, obviously. Just keep it there for around 10-12 seconds or so. Let's remove this. Get rid of the excess water, obviously, and back into the flour. Again, a good coat of the flour, and now we are ready to dip for the final time into the water. Shake off the excess, back into the water. Bismillah. Again, keep it there for around 12 seconds or so. Alright, so let's remove this carefully. Don't shake it. Get a good coat of the flour again. I'm just using a fork to remove them. Now we're going to give this a really good mix and get a good coat of the flour. Look at the movement that I'm doing. Very simple yet effective, you know. Alright, so once you've coated this, shake off the excess. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. I'm just double checking the temperature before we throw in the chicken. Well, let's add in the chicken, always away from you. Just keep it there for a few seconds and it goes. Bismillah. Now we're gonna let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until we have a nice crispy golden brown color. The internal temperature, if you're really looking for that, it should reach around 75 Celsius. Alright, so the chicken tenders are looking nice and crispy. Just a few more seconds to go and then we're gonna start removing. Wow, just look at that. So delicious. Alright, let's remove this. Make sure to drain off the excess oil. I'm using some kitchen paper, obviously, will help draining the excess oil faster. Of course, clean the oil before we fry the next batch of our chicken. Bismillah. What happens is when you add the chicken, the temperature drops. So like I said before, you know, it's always great to maintain the temperature, alright? You might need to turn up the heat a little bit. So these are done now as well. Let's remove them. So nice and crispy. Drain off the excess oil. Alright, quickly I'm just gonna show you our chicken tenders. Look how crispy they look. You guys gonna really enjoy it. Now it's time to dip them in our hot oil. Grab yourself a bowl with our spice mix. You can also save some to, you know, sprinkle on the chicken for later if you like a bit of extra spice onto that, you know. Alright, let's add in the oil. The oil temperature is between 110 120 Celsius, alright? You don't want it too hot, otherwise it will burn the spices. Alright, let's add in our chicken now. There we go. A quick dip in the hot oil and then remove. Just make sure to drain off the excess. Be careful, it's hot. Exactly what we're looking for, look at that. And like I said before, you can add in more seasoning if you like. Oh, it looks so mouth-watering, you know. Let's take a bite. Bismillah. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Our amazing hot and crispy chicken tenders. Serving it with some of the curly fries and some of our Nashville sauce. Our delicious hot and crispy chicken tenders with sauce. Done. You guys gonna really enjoy it with your family and friends. Trust me. If you want, you can also serve it with some of this cheese sauce.
Perfect. You win.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so mouth-watering. I've got some of the Nashville sauce, some of the cheese sauce as well. Let's start with our curly fries. Bismillah. These are so delicious. Alright, let's try our hot and crispy chicken tenders. I want to try with some of the cheese sauce first. Bismillah. Look at that. Things are about to get dirty in here. Oh my god. Bismillah. Wow. Honestly, packed with so much flavor, nice and crispy, has a little kick to it. Let's start with some of the Nashville sauce. Wow, so mouth-watering. So crispy, mouth-watering, trust me. The great thing about these is you can also serve them in wraps. Try with some of the coleslaw. Now you can really start to feel a bit of the heat from the cayenne pepper. So good, you know. Oh, look at that amazing cheese sauce. Like I said before, one of the best crispy chicken tenders that you guys gonna try. I really hope you guys will enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mum. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.